Demo Tiger brings video tutorials for web hosting companies, easy to integrate into knowledge base or support of your website. Videos with audio and text instructions. Display customized logo of your brand. Visit demotiger.com now.
How to add a record in cPanel using DNS Zone Editor. You can add a record using the cPanel Zone Editor option. Log into your cPanel account. You will be on this page. Scroll down to the Domains section and click on the Zone Editor icon. Suppose we want to add a record for domain example.com, then click on the +a record button in front of the domain name under Title Actions. For another domain, click on the +a record button which is in front of that particular domain name. Now enter a name and click somewhere out of the box inside the window. cPanel will automatically add a domain name. For example, just enter a name blog and click. Enter the IP address of the server where you want to point the domain. Click on Add a Record button. That's it, we have successfully added a record for domain example.com. It may take up to 24 hours for the changes to take effect. Thank you for watching.